Hello, welcome to this short introduction on the website system called Joomla. We're going to show you in the next couple minutes how this website system can provide a numerous amount of benefits for your church. To introduce it real fast, Joomla is a content management software, which basically, rather than just having a couple pages on the online with just some text and pictures, Joomla is like a software, like a computer program that manages all the content that you have and puts it on the web. There are many benefits to this. One of those benefits is that it runs off of a database, which your users will be run off a database. Any extra material you put in there is going to be run off a database. Everything is run off a database. And that makes it very good for tracking things, for usability, and to streamline many different functions of your site. Another great thing is there are literally thousands of add-ons for it, and we're going to talk about that in just a little while. But that really is what allows Joomla to grow, expand, develop, and really, to the point, meet the needs of your church as specifically as possible. First thing I want to point out to you is that Joomla allows you to edit on the page itself, which is a really cool thing. A lot of CMS systems will make you go into the back end of the site to edit anything. So you have to learn how to get to the back end, learn where to go, and all that. With Joomla, if you are signed in, you'll see I'm signed in here. You can go to the page you want to edit and edit it right there, just like you would on Facebook or MySpace or on Blogger. You can do the same thing here. You see I click that button and the editor comes up right here. We'll scroll down. Right here you see this is all the content that was on that page. And you have all of these different controls for images, videos, links and tables, everything that you would want to use. Very similar to Microsoft Word, that type of functionality here, and you can edit it right here on site. So that's a huge benefit. This allows your staff to be able to keep the church site maintained easily and speedily. It does not get much easier than that at all when it comes to the ability to edit and maintain your own site. It has a bunch of cool little features. You can, using that editor that we just showed you, you can make pop-up images and stuff like this. So if you're advertising some event and just want a thumbnail not to take up the whole page, you can do that. Bunch of good stuff like that. You also do have the ability to go into the back end and edit it. If you're editing a bunch of stuff right in a row, that's fine as well. We can teach you how to do that, but you don't have to, which is what's great. You also can have different user groups. You can have assign one person or multiple people to a group and say, okay, this group right here, you're only going to be allowed to edit the church planning page, for an example right here. You could, and if you're not a member of that group or the website administrator itself, you would not be able to touch this page. Or you could assign that group to over an area of the site. So it's good because you can have as many groups as you want and control who's editing what, which is also a very good benefit, especially if you're in a larger church setting and don't have one person that's going to take care of the entire site. Another good feature about it is that you, on all the articles on the site and banners, you can actually have a start and stop publish date. So for instance, I'm going to go back to this banner right here. This is for the district council that you see is going to be on May 10th and 11th in 2011. On May 10th, this banner is going to disappear by itself. So another great